Network marketing is one of the most extraordinary business models I think that has ever existed when it's executed on properly. Now, there are 4 things that cause companies to struggle today. And if you understand this information, it helps you make better decisions about the companies you partner with and how to build an organization. Now, often the first 2 are somewhat out of your control. Large overhead and bureaucracy at a corporate level. Largest single expense is a variable cost. You pay the network directly instead of traditional advertising, large overhead, etc., etc. So, find companies that allow the field to truly be independent, to create systems, and a chunk of the money goes towards the field's compensation structure. Number 2 is, unfortunately, sometimes when VC and private equity comes in and they don't understand the business model, that creates challenges. They try to leverage traditional philosophies in traditional business, whether that's social selling, retail selling. They don't understand that the network is their customer, right? So be aware of it. Now, the next 2 items on the list are things you can control as a leader, and they're the 2 biggest challenges that exist for leaders in building a large organization today. The first thing you can control is making sure that you have a prescriptive model, meaning when somebody comes on your team, everything from generating leads to following up on the leads to effectively onboarding brand new people, there is a prescriptive process that's in place. You're telling that person who has 5 to 10 hours a week on a part-time basis exactly how to get a check in their pocket, not only in the first 6 weeks, but then how to advance their business beyond that. And today, with all the digital noise and all the different advice that networkers are getting, they have forgotten that the power of network marketing is a lot of people doing a little bit on a part-time basis and succeeding. It can't just be about the few. It's got to be about the many. And then secondly, one of the biggest challenges today is the field is often confused as to whether they're affiliate marketers or network marketers. And these are 2 different worlds. And it's okay to have affiliates in your network, people that are influencers. They're on social media, they're charismatic, they're able to move a lot of product, but they can't be the heroes in the network. The heroes in the network need to be the part-time person that is genuinely making $500, maybe $1,000 a month on a part-time basis, and they're doing something that everybody else can do if they're willing to put the effort and the time into the business. That is duplication. And very often leaders are confused about how do they get to a place of real-time freedom. They do it by not being the superstar that moves a ton of product through affiliate marketing. Now, one of the things we do at Rapid Funnel is we help affiliate marketers, digital marketers, network marketers, direct sales professionals, but each one of these models or areas of focus requires a little bit of a different strategy. So it's critical that you know the end game before you start executing, and you can teach that end game to other people. Know the business you're in.